Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be unboxing something really exciting. This product is sent to me free by the company called SAMTIAN. So they asked me if I could do a review on this and I said yes. So I am actually so excited about the thought of having one because I haven't really had one before. But every time I would take a photo, I always wish to have one because I am so OZ in everything and even in just taking photos that I always want the perfect shot, the perfect shaded photo, or the perfect angle. This product came really perfect on time because now that I'm on YouTube, every time I would cook or bake something or every time I would unbox something, I always want the perfect shot for the thumbnails of my videos. So I think this will really be a big help for me. So before we start unboxing, let me say thank you so much to Samtian for sending me this over, for trusting me in this, and for sending me that email. So yeah, without further ado, let's start unboxing. So there's another box inside the box. So we have here the user manual, and this is in 6 languages, which is cool. So as you can see here, it comes with 6 different colors for the background. We have blue, red, white, gray, this one is beige, I guess, and black, which is so cool actually. Okay. So I presume this is a tripod. Yeah, this is actually a tripod for your phone. You may also put like this, which is actually cool because this product already came with a free tripod for the phone. Nice. I guess you can also adjust the level of this one. Yeah, you just have to press this button here. See? Nice. Let me try by putting my phone. Cool, that's nice. When you get this product, you already get a free tripod for the phone. So we have here the photo light box. When you open it like that, it's kind of like assembled already. I actually thought I need to assemble this one, but in my surprise, it is already assembled. And inside it looks like this. And it has this board. I guess I have to put this one here so that the box will hold itself, will stand and hold itself like that. And it has this one also. It's up to you if you want to use this or not. I guess this is to trap the light if it's too much, but I guess for now I'll remove this one. And it also has this hole where you can take top shots like that. And what's good about this light box is its ring light is already installed inside, as you can see, because I saw a lot of light boxes, photo light boxes on Amazon, and when you assemble it, you also have to install the lights. So this is actually cool. It has a lot of light beads. It has 2 different light beads. It is connected to this one right here, and we have here the USB cord, as you can see, and this one is the switch. So according to the user manual, we have here the power button where you can turn on or turn off this light box. We have here the increase button if you want to increase the brightness of the light. We have here the decrease button, and we have here the conversion button, wherein you can switch the 3 modes, which are brightness mode, color temperature mode, and the stepless dimming mode. So let me try this out. So it looks like this when it's already assembled. It's actually pretty easy to assemble. You just have to put that board on that side and then attach the background of your preference. So this time I chose white because I am going to be taking a photo with an object which is pretty dark in color. So I am using my iPhone battery charger on this here. And so let me try it. And so let's switch on the light. Okay. We can change the mode of the light. I always prefer this kind of light. This is like a fluorescent light, I guess, if I'm not mistaken. And we can also adjust the brightness. So now let's try decreasing the light. That's nice. Let's change the mode of the light. This is like a hot color. Personally, I don't like this kind of color. I always prefer something like this. It has 10 levels of brightness in each mode of the color. So this part right here is actually made of aluminum. So let me show you how to put or change the background. So I personally do this. I guess it's easier. So I fold this thing and then let it enter like that. And then just simply stick this part right here. As simple as that. It's so fast and easy. So I have this jam jar. This is a plum jam that I made a few days ago. And I took some photos for the thumbnails for the video of this one. And I'm not that really convinced about the outcome of the photos. So let's try this light box by taking some photos of this jam jar. So first, I am gonna take a photo at the top. Anyways, I am gonna let you see the shots from the top and from this angle. And oh, I am also gonna show you the difference between a photo taken with this light box and without a light box. So my overall verdict for this photo light box from SAMTIAN is it's actually pretty cool. It is pretty nice and it really does its job so well. So if you are into photography, or even if not, if you are just someone who likes taking good photos, this is actually perfect for you. So considering that I haven't had one before, so I can't really compare this one to any brands, this definitely changes the game for me because I am so meticulous when it comes to taking photos for the thumbnails of my videos. And it is so easy to assemble. It is pretty handy. And this one is the 30 by 30 centimeters photo light box, or 12 by 12 inches. But I saw that they actually have bigger sizes, and it's just so practical for me to have this one. I am just so glad that I already have one now. And if I am to rate this one, I would give it a 9 out of 10. 9 because I noticed that if I take photos using the white background, it's perfect. It is flawless. But when I saw the photo using the other 5 backgrounds, I noticed that it has a line at the middle. I guess because it is folded, it has somehow left a line at the middle, and it is quite visible in the photo. But using some app or any app, editing apps, I guess you can actually improve the photo. That is the only reason why I am giving it a 9 out of 10. But overall, this is actually really nice. So if you are interested to buy one, I highly recommend this brand. This is from SAMTIAN. So I am gonna leave the link of this in the description box below. You may check it out. This is not expensive at all. They have bigger sizes of this, as I said earlier. The price is actually worth it because it really has good quality. And yeah, you can bring this everywhere because it's not that too big. It is handy. It's not heavy at all. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in my next one. Bye!